Baliw. Pag po kayo wala kasi kayo lagi eh.
Wow naman. Wow naman. Favorite color?
White.
Ew.
Bakit?
Love lang lagi. Yes, true.
Ako may nagkamali. Na-repost ko ba? Ay, repost na add to favorites ko. As pinost ng
Yes.
lokong yun.
Love lang. Sige, ilayag nyo na. Lahat ilayag nyo na.
Kaya nga.
Kyrene, kay Jazz, kay Soy,
Kay Jazz.
kay Gwen, kay Jolie, kay Kanochi,
Kay Jolie.
JP kay Mark, lahat. Mark Rin, Mark JP, Mark...
JP,
Lahat
Kai
lang.
Kai.
Kay... Love all. I-love nyo lahat. If may ship kayo dito, ship nyo lahat. Happy lang. Basta happy kayo, bros.
Di talaga sininiwala na pindot talaga. Kung meron akong screen record, inilabas ko.
Hello. Bakit na-end yung live? Because naka-timer yung live ni JP. No, JP made it clear that we were... Ano sabi mo sa live mo?
Friends.
Yes.
Friends.
Close friends. Wow.
Greg, ako kumakain ng hipon.
Thank you, Bataan.
Filter.
Kay alis ka dyan daw. Let me find that comment.
Ano sabi? Ano sabi?
None of it is true.
Wala, di totoo yun. Ngayon, papahanap po namin sino nagsabi.
Uy! Buwang.
Papakalat ng fake news. Uy, sino invite mo?
Huh?
Invite send to.
Oh, damn. Sorry.
In-invite ah.
May...
Yun sa pinsan ko. Opo, sa pinsan ko, kala niya po totoo, kaya nirepost niya. So, tinawagan ko siya. Sabi ko, hindi totoo yan. Ba't mo naman nire-repost? Yun po yun sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Kasi hindi nga nirepost ng pinsan ko. Kasi kala niya totoo. So, nakita ko, tinawagan ko siya. Sininiwala eh. Paano ba kasi? Paano ko ipapaniwalain ha? Teka lang. Paniwalain ha? Teka lang.
It's okay. Just chill out. Just calm down. Not everything will go the way you want it to go. So, just...
Si sad boy pala to eh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Let's all calm down. And love each other. Spread love. That's correct. That's right. Kyler, what's up?
Sino si Kyler?
Ako. Duh.
Boy version.
Sometimes Kyler, sometimes Keisha, sometimes Kai. Kyler is the boy ver.
Balik yung dati kong hair.
Keisha is the girl ver. Kai is the...
Pakalbo ko lang siya. Kuya, kayo.
Hello. Hello. No hate, guys. Yes. Huwag kayong mag-hate. Always see the good in everyone else. And everything. And pray to God, bro. It works.
Cursing kitchen.
Who do you like better though, Kyler or Keisha? Uy,
Ano?
which one do you like better, Kyler or Tasha? Oh, Kyler, Tasha, or Kai? Do you know the difference?
Hindi.
Kyler is the boy bird.
Ah,
Tasha is the girl bird. Kai is both.
lahat. Si Kyler. Sab ka?
So, subject.
Ano sabi niya, no? Na-divorce siya. Yama. Gusto ba, divorce?
No.
Yeah, what's up ka na gano'n?
Hi po. Hello po. Shout out.
Hipo.
To the girl that sent me the keychain sa Bataan. Thank you so much. I love it. I remember the one I was wearing the red dress. The keychain nakita mo sa Bataan.
Ay, oo, yung miniature. Maliit na kay. Little. Little kay. Pinsan mo ba si Kay?
Yeah.
Kapatid ko po.
Yes, we're siblings.
Kapatid po kami.
We're the mga anak of Kuya Eric.
Mga oo nga, no. Magkapatid nga.
We are kapatid.
Kapatid.
Bati na ba kayo?
Wala namang away eh.
Yeah, we never
Sila
did.
lang po yung gumagawa ng issue. Kaya,
Yes.
gusto ko panapindot. Daming rason. Paano ko ba ipoprove ha? Paano ko pa ipoprove ha?
Stop. It's okay. Buang. Si Kuya JM.
Dito ang Kuya JM.
Where?
Kuya JM.
I just saw him
Ay, oo
kanina.
nga, si Kuya JM. Love you, Kuya JM. Kuya JM.
GM.
Kuya JM.
GM.
Love you. Pasali. Paano magsali, Kuya JM?
Wait. Kuya JM, you have to request. Ayaw.
Saan Kuya JM?
Damn.
Ayan. Invite mo din dali.
No!
Invite mo dali.
Oh! I accidentally... Did I accept him? Okay, my life.
Kuya JM.
If I wanted you, would you have wanted me? 'Cause I
Asan yung cookie mo na Monopoly Green? Kaya natin.
Can you get it? I'll bet you want me to. Doesn't matter if you play some games, 'cause if I'm playing with you, then we got no more rules to break. Why do you think I look at you this type of way? I'm screaming through my eyes, but you seem to shy away. Every time I hear your name, you make my heart go insane. Why don't we just spit it out, 'cause we got no more time to waste. Girl, don't you notice whenever you walk inside the room, I'm hopeless, 'cause you
Kaya
make
nandito.
everybody tell. Where's the other one?
Dalawa ba ganito mo?
Oh.
Kuya JM nag-send.
Duh.
Kuya JM nag-send.
Duh.
Kuya JM nag-send.
Kuya JM, are you here? Kuya JM? Kuya Bensoy?
Hindi, dapat ito pala nilagay sa microwave. Para mag-melt yung ano? Hindi, para mag-melt yung...
Bro. Kuya JM, where are you?
Ano lasa? Sige, lasa niya. Uy!
See you happy?
Ito.
Pagkagising sa umaga, ikaw ang gusto mong kasama.
Tamis?
Pag ika'y hindi nakita,
Si Queen Dura. Queen Dura. Ayan, si Reyna.
yan.
JP Mark.
JP. Good luck. Sino kasama ko? Hindi.
Panex ako.